Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Look no further. This beautifully designed 4 bedrooms, 2 bathroom home is built on an expansive 16,000 square foot lot and is located in Strathmore Drive, Spanish Town. The property is well maintained, modern, and is perfect for the first time home buyer or the savvy investor. The land space allows for tons of possibilities. Make this home yours. For persons who are interested in viewing this house, open house is scheduled for March 12, 2022 from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Call to set viewing time. The details will be in the description. Other features of this house includes porcelain tiling, wheelchair access, garden area, water tank, grilled, fully walled, central location, easy access, family oriented, private settings, quiet area, landscaped, gravel road, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 23 million or US $147,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please remember, leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. For watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.